If Steam is showing a connection error or you keep getting stuck on the login screen, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into Steam as quickly as possible. This is especially useful if Steam says it can't connect, your login keeps failing, or you're seeing that annoying trouble connecting message over and over again. Before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, make sure you are using your actual Steam account username, not your email address, and not your display name. This is one of the most common causes of login errors, and a lot of people enter the wrong sign-in details without realizing it. Steam needs the correct account username, so double check it carefully and make sure there are no typos at all. Next, verify that your internet connection is working properly. Try opening a few websites in your browser and see if they load normally. If your internet is unstable, Steam may fail to connect even if the app itself is working fine. If needed, restart your router or switch to another network to test whether the issue is coming from your connection. You should also check whether Steam is currently having server problems. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all, and Steam's servers or a specific server region may be down or overloaded. If that happens, the best option is often to wait a little while and try again later. If everything looks fine there, the next fix is to run Steam as administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to connect properly and can solve issues caused by restricted access on your computer. Another thing that can interfere with Steam connections is a VPN or proxy. If you are using one, turn it off temporarily and try launching Steam again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes block or redirect Steam traffic, which leads to login failures or connection errors. If the problem still continues, you can try deleting the Steam config folder. This can clear out damaged or stuck settings that may be causing the connection issue. Be careful with this step and only remove the config folder as instructed, since it resets certain local settings and can help Steam rebuild them fresh on the next launch. Now, let's go to another very useful fix: changing your download region. Sometimes a specific server rack or relay in your area has problems, and Steam keeps trying to connect to it until you manually choose a different one. Open Steam, go to Settings, then click Downloads. In the Download Region menu, select a different region from the one you normally use. After that, restart Steam completely so the new region can take effect. This can instantly fix connection issues caused by a bad or overloaded local server. Another fix that works surprisingly well is bypassing the WebHelper cache. Sometimes the connection error is not really your internet at all. It's Steam's internal browser component failing to load properly. To clear that out, go to Steam Settings, then click In-Game. From there, click Delete Web Browser Data. This clears the cached data that can cause stuck handshakes and repeated trouble connecting screens. Once the data is cleared, close Steam and open it again to test whether the problem is gone. If you followed these steps, there's a very good chance Steam will connect normally again. The key is to work through the fixes one by one. Check your login details, confirm your internet, look for server issues, run as administrator, disable VPNs or proxies, change the download region, and clear the web browser data. These are the most reliable ways to fix Steam connection errors without wasting time. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.